This tiny home was originally located in Bondi and was scheduled to be knocked down, but instead of becoming landfill, we decided to reduce, reuse and recycle and bring it south to my holiday property in Hymes Beach and turn it into a head-turning holiday rental. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at my latest renovation, a tiny home holiday rental in New South Wales South Coast. Come inside with me and I'll show you how I made this tiny space feel large. We've rearranged the floor plan to maximise the space, and we moved the front door from here to here and put all the functional areas like the kitchen and the bathroom in one corner so that we could make the living space bigger. We wanted to make sure that this wasn't just your traditional beachside cottage, so what we did was focus on this amazing apex roof, which really adds drama and makes the space feel bigger. I always knew I wanted timber floors because we're next to the beach and things get sandy, so I chose the Woodlands Collection Hickory Elegance Hardwood Timber range in the colour Beverly Hills from Carpet Court. The trick here is that continuing the floorboards up the wall and onto the ceiling really opens up the space. The Woodlands Collection Hickory Elegance range is produced using American hickory and is unique in the Australian market as few suppliers bring it in. Hickory is sought after for its many applications due to its strength, toughness, hardness and stiffness, ideal for the home as it withstands the rigours of today's busy lifestyles. This hardwood is crafted using a tongue and groove system which creates a rustic look along the edge of the board. Another trick is to take your drapery all the way to the ceiling to accentuate the height. These barley shears in the colour flax add softness without sacrificing any of the light. Made from long-lasting polyester, barley is a semi-sheer fabric perfect for S-wave curtains. This translucent material diffuses light evenly, allowing you to enjoy the charm of natural light throughout your home. The polyester fabric of the barley shears is highly durable and stain resistant, making it a low-maintenance option for all homes, especially holiday homes. Being a holiday home, it allowed us to strip back everything to the basics and add only what was absolutely necessary. We opted for a big fridge but no pantry, a convection microwave over a full-sized oven, and a dish drawer for cleaning up. So I love all the extras that go into styling a space, but this place just doesn't need it. I kept everything minimal and neutral to provide a serene holiday escape, so there's not a lot of styling items on surfaces. Even the exterior is simple, a neutral mid-grey colour that sits gently into the landscape. Having too many walls in a small space starts to make it feel boxy, so with the bedroom, we removed the door and made it a half wall to give privacy without sacrificing that open feel. Getting a good night's sleep on holiday is really important, so we've installed the austere block-out Roman blinds in the colour vine. With an organic linen look, austere is a trendy take on textured fabrics. If you have a small indoor space, any additional living space you can add to the outside will make a big difference. The doors in the living room go wall to wall, which means you can open everything up and have one big indoor-outdoor space. Great landscaping was the key to finishing this place. Being a holiday rental, we wanted a low-maintenance yard, so we chose the Luxe Turf artificial turf range so that we could get that soft summer look all year round. This is the Luxe Life option, which is an ideal pet and child-friendly solution. It's exceptionally durable while still giving you that stunning natural turf look. And with the right outdoor furniture, it's the perfect spot for a cocktail at the end of the day.